Muddy nurture barn, and we've got loads of animals here with Joe, Bub's barnyard. Give us a wave.
Hello.
And who's this?
This is the one that bunnies have been named.
Oh, what's the competition? Tell me.
The competition is we've got two boy bunnies like that. You need a name.
Two boy bunnies who need names.
Onto the Facebook page, find a picture of the bunnies, like the Facebook page, and put the name
I'll
down.
put the link of the Facebook page for you again.
And then on the 50th, we'll call a name out and there'll be some entries to some free events.
Oh, lovely. Right, we'll do that. Two named bunnies. And who's this?
Licorice and Bonbon.
Oh, I like the name Licorice. That's really cool. What would you call this rabbit, Olivia? This is my daughter Olivia come to help. Hence she looks a bit bigger than over 5.
I would call it Cinnamon.
What about Brownie? Chocolate Brownie? Not really chocolate colour, okay. Not dark enough. Let's have a look.